Hello everyone, let's make this colorful spinning toy. For that we are going to cut small strips of craft paper and we are going to paste all of them one after another on this blue circle. Again we are going to combine all of them together at the bottom, put a stick at the center and then add more details and it's done. We are going to make this rose flower bouquet, so spread this white color on the sheet of black craft paper using this cardboard cutting and give it a shape of bouquet. Then add more details like we are drawing the leaves using green paint and brush. We are putting a thick white and red paint on the sheet of paper and spread it evenly using an earbud, and look, your rose flowers are ready. We are adding more details like we are drawing the bow here and look, it is done. Let's make this leaf artwork. Cut the shape of the leaf from white paper and put it on this black sheet of paper. Now take colorful crayons and start coloring it like this. Cover the whole leaf. Now remove it and look, you'll get a beautiful pattern. Add more details like we're spreading the colors using fingers and look, your leaf artwork is ready. Let's make this Teacher's Day craft. We are going to cut a heart shape and write Happy Teacher's Day on top of it. Now cut it into two pieces. Now we are going to paste it on this rectangular craft paper and draw the teacher drawing and put it in the center and it's ready. We are going to paste this green strip of paper. We are making flower here, so cut the petal on green craft paper, trace all of them and cut the red flowers. Then we are going to paste all of them and lift it upwards. It will give a 3D shape to the flower. Now roll a fruit foam net and paste it at the center of the flower. Now we are making a bouquet, so fold the blue craft paper and it's done. We're going to make surprise drawing today. So first draw this flower using sketch pen. Now we're going to add details. When you open it, we're going to complete the drawing. Then we're going to add lines around it and we are drawing a bunny inside. Draw its eyes, its face, color it and look, it's done. Let's unwrap this statue. We are going to open it and look, it's a 9 foxtail statue. We are going to color it because it is a white statue, so use colorful paint and we are going to cover it. We are using red color here. Draw its eyes and look, it is ready. We are going to draw different patterns on these dry leaves. Look, we are making flowers and leaves here. You can add more details like we are drawing different patterns on different leaves using sketch pens and look how pretty this artwork is looking, and more flowers on different leaves and it's done. Cut a black sheet of paper and draw circles on it. We are going to make a solar system. We are drawing planets on it and it's done. We are going to paste these seashells on the top of it for more decoration. Paste all of them like this and look, your beautiful artwork is ready. You can also frame it and use it as decor piece for your home. Let's make a beautiful artwork. It's very easy to make. We are spreading this chalk on this black sheet of paper. Now take fruit foam net, fold it and stamp it on the sheet of paper like this and make beautiful flowers and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.